Okay, it's time to explain a couple things and how much money does the cool loser make. Let's find out right now. This is a full transparency and I will answer any questions in the comments down below. In this video, I'm going to show you how much money I make off of YouTube, Amazon, sponsorships, and being an ambassador. And I'm going to explain what happened to my last video that I just made today. So this is the second video following up to that. Now, what we're looking at here is the dashboard for all my videos. I've been doing this for 9 years and you can see the different likes to dislike ratio is a lot different for today because people think I'm trying to make money off of you or scam people into buying something. This is nothing like that. Again, I will explain this video, but first let me show you how much money I'm making this month. So with 318,000 views at 13k watch time hours with 870 subscribers gained in this month, I'm getting $729. That is not making thousands, millions. It's a very low income. And obviously I'm trying to change that and make a difference. So if I go into certain videos here, you can see which ones are my top rated videos. So my custom build rooms, my LED setups, some free movie stuff to watch. These are my top grossing videos right now. And they're not making me a killing either. But if I click into it, you can see this video right here has made me $83 in the last 28 days. So it's my top biggest video that I have right now. I'd have to make over 15,000 views daily to make more than that. And I'm only getting an average of, let me go into my social blade here, an average of 11,000 views a day. You can see how much daily I could also make, $3 to $43 a day. That's the estimates of how much I can make daily. I'm not getting rich off of any of this stuff. So again, it's hard work. It's a lot of work to get to where I'm at. And it totally depends. You could have 2 subscribers and get millions of views. And that's what's more important. It's the views, not the subscriber. See, my last payment of last month was $706. So this is not a lot of money, and that's how much I'm making off of YouTube alone. So let's click on another video what YouTube is making me here, and you will see in the last 28 days $37. But let's check out the full length of the life of this video. We're gonna do lifetime since uploaded. How much money has this video made me? $2,781. So it took 1.2 million views to make $2,781. That is insane, right? But how old is the video? 2017. That's nearly 3 years to make $2,781. It also gained me over 4,000 subscribers during the lifetime. But don't get confused of saying this is how much you're making monthly. Let's go look at something a little bit worse. So this video since 2016 has made me $100, and it's been what, 4 years? And the breakdown goes to 63 cents for that day, 5 cents for the next day, 1 cent for the next day, 8 cents for the next day. So it all adds up between the years and it became $100. So let's go to my room tour setup. I'm curious actually about this one. Obviously, this is my #1 video. It could be way more than my last one. Let's go to lifetime. Okay, so it's made me less money in the last 1.2 million views. So over time, it looks impressive, but it's only making you a daily $1 when I launched it. 20 cents a couple of weeks in and months in, and you can see that months go past and 15 cents, 9 cents, 15 cents, and then all of a sudden it got traction, $4.50 a day, ooh, $1 a day, and then $1 a day, and then $3, $2. So you can see the difference between how much you can gain per day, and adding it all up of the lifetime, then it became $1,358. This video that I only posted back in December, which is 3 months ago, has only made me $9.33. This video could take you 4 hours to make, but again, it's not always about the views and what I'm generating here from that video. It's obviously going to add up with all my other videos for the daily amount, and daily I'm only making 3 cents, 4 cents. What I'm hoping that people do is click on the links from Amazon and find a product. So that's just one revenue source of income. Income source number 2, which is my Amazon affiliates, which is an ambassador for Amazon. So you can be an ambassador for Amazon, eBay, Newegg. There's a bunch of other ambassador affiliate programs out there that are legit, and I will explain what ambassador is. So people who are freaking out about this video, how to make money online for free, no work, This is Brand Ambassador Program is a special type of marketing campaign that puts your company's message in the hands of influencers, aka me and you, or potentially you, with a certain goal in mind, such as improving your sales, brand recognition, or reputation. These programs can be temporary partnerships that last for a set time or ongoing relationships. So it is a legit thing. This is my Amazon affiliate. So when you go to a video, let me go to a video of mine and we'll scroll down to show more. When you go to anyone's YouTube video and they have Amazon short links like this, they are affiliates. It is a commission-based sale. So if you would click on this Rodecaster Pro, so this is what I'm recording all this equipment on. So if you were to buy any product from any link of any YouTuber's video ambassador program, which is what I tried to show again in my last video, I'm a little like upset about people thinking that I'm trying to pyramid scheme something, and it's not. But I'm also revealing how much money I make and how much money you can make and how to make money as well. So if we go back again to the video, you see a lot of links, and these are all the products that I use every day, literally what's running my channel. And if you like it, then you can look for it. No one's telling you to buy it. If you need it, you want it, you like it, go buy it. I will be able to see right here my daily rate of how many people are buying products. So right here we see items shipped 431, earnings $820. So I'm making more money off of Amazon than YouTube is paying me. As my second income source is Amazon affiliates, my ambassador, Amazon is converting each purchase, no matter what the price is, of 1.85% back to me. So it's not costing the buyer any money. Amazon's just giving me money for making someone buy something off their Amazon site. So if I open the calculator, and let's say you bought something that's worth $250, we're going to minus 1.85%, and out of that 1.85%, I'm making $4.06 for that $250 sale. So that's how you're gonna get commission off of any brand being an ambassador. Obviously, this conversion rate is very low. And if we take a look at Caseco's ambassador program here, which is the same as Amazon would be paying you, once you sign up and stuff, you're gonna see this little page and they're gonna give you 20% commission. Let's say $50 someone bought of products, we're gonna minus 20%. So you're gonna make $10, which is a higher, way higher percentage. There's no money showing here because it just started and I don't even have this link really shared other than that one video that I made on this. So this is where the cha-chings comes. So on the daily I'm making $23, $3, $53, $16, $14. You get the idea. There's the graph there showing you how much money can be made. And it's not a set in stone. It's not like something that you always make. I could either make $400 a month or I can make like $1,000. It depends on how many people are buying and what products they are buying. That is a conversion rate. And there's 25,000 clicks of people clicking on the links that I provided and ordered items for $73. So there's still stuff to be shipped out. If you click on this link here and you don't buy this product and you buy something else and you're like, oh, I don't want that, and then you end up clicking on this, I'm gonna get a 1.8% commission off of this just because I brought traffic to Amazon. So it doesn't matter if you bought the product that I showcased to you. What matters is if people use my link and they bought something, then I get commission off of that. So that's just showing you an ambassadorship here, the affiliates, how that works. So if you're an influencer or you want to be a YouTuber, you run a website, whatever, if you got a lot of traffic, and if you apply for an affiliate ambassador program, then this is the way you can make money just by sharing links. You don't have to do a lot of work for it. That's the whole point of this whole video. This is how you make money online for free. So I'm already making YouTube revenue, Amazon revenue. That's $1,500 a month so far. So that's not too bad, right? For making videos, sitting at home all day, sharing links. Pretty good, right? But I'll do a breakdown of expenses and bills after that. So if we go to the third source of income that I have is FameBit Marketplace. FameBit is a program that you can also join. I can still do Instagram and other platforms, but I only really post on YouTube anyways. So right here you can see FameBit is now owned by YouTube. See, you can make up to $1,000 for this campaign. Pumpkin provides the latest and best Android car stereo, and they'll pay you up to $1,000, and it depends how big your channel is, how many views you get. If I were to apply for this, I just send my proposal, and the proposal says how much you want to charge. Let's say I want to do $500 for this video. How many days is it going to take you to complete it? Let's say 14 days, and you write your details and say that I will do this and this is how it works, blah, 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 and you send your proposal. So this third source of income depends on how many campaigns you do and what you get paid through them. I did the surf wheel a few months ago, and I paid $100 to do it, and sometimes it's worth the product. Sometimes the money, it doesn't matter. Product itself could cost like $500, so you get the product, which is really nice. So that's FameBit. You have to have a certain amount of subscribers to actually get onto this platform. This is another way that I earn my income, which is the third source, and it totally depends on what I get on it. So now to explain this video even more, so how to make money online for free, no work. So I'm hoping this cleared up about what ambassador means. And then this guy says, "Sai, a new low." And I said, "How? It's an affiliate link for you guys to make money. I don't understand anything negative or bad. Explain, please." He doesn't explain. He says, "Pyramid scheme pathetic. It's literally like having an Amazon affiliate link profile. Is Amazon a pyramid scheme? I'm an ambassador of Amazon, so I'm making money off of links that are in my videos. It's not like I'm gonna get you guys to sign up, and every time someone buys a product through you, I'm making money because of your sign up. No, look it up. This is how ambassador works. I'm not getting rich off of you. It's just a way of helping you make money, and the company that I work with as partner, that's all it is. I'm not getting anything other than helping the company Casco get influencers to help them promote videos. I hope that really clears it up. Open up the calculator just a little bit here. Let's say I have a really good month and I'm making $2,100. So that's not bad. A lot of people actually don't make that monthly working 40 hours a week. So let's say, how much does it cost for your internet to use? So $80. Then minus your cell phone bill, another $80. And then minus car insurance, $110. And then you minus how much money you spend on food, say around $290. Then you minus your card payment, which is $600. Then you minus your subscriptions like Netflix and like TV services, YouTube Premium and all that stuff, and it's gonna be around $90 for me. Then you minus the entertainment and products that you want to buy that you do monthly. Let's just say short little $150. And if you have to pay for gas, which I don't know how much you spend, but let's just say $100 a month. And if you have any kind of debt or credit cards that you have to pay, let's say $100 again. And now we're down to $500, factoring in all your bills that you have to pay after what you're earning. But the reality is everyone has to go through this. You have bills, you have expenses to pay for. So if I'm making $2,100 a month, I'm being able to keep $500. I'm not getting rich. I can't buy a house with that kind of money. So I have to find out a different way of making faster money. Oh, and something very important that I forgot to factor in is taxes. That when you make income, which you're not getting a W-2 form that you normally get from an employer, all these three sources of income, I have to do a 1099 form. So every dollar that I make is not taxed. So I'm gonna have to owe taxes at the end of the year every time. Again, depending on how much you made and what your profits were, that's where they tax it from. And it's not that different than when you get withheld taxes. When you work for a company and they take away your taxes, basically take it out every check. This one, you just have to pay it all in one sum at the end of the year. That makes sense, right? And that's why I'm branching out, working with companies, ambassadors. I'm not making enough to brag about I'm rich or doing whatever I want. I really need to hustle. I need to change my method to make money. And this is something that I just wanted to share with you guys and expose if you haven't seen it, if you're thinking that I'm making a lot of money, which is not. With all that said, a lot of these ambassador affiliate programs require an application to be approved. I'm hoping this year I can double my income. I just have to really put a lot of work into it. So I'm hoping I can go from $2,000 to $4,000, and that could change a lot for me. And I'm hoping that that could happen because I want my house. There's a lot of things I want. I want the Cybertruck too. I can't do it with the rate I'm making right now. So yeah, just wanted to share that. I hope it cleared up a lot of things. So anyways, I would like to thank my longtime subscribers after 9 years of doing this. I love it, but it's not doing everything that I want to do that moves me forward because I'm not making enough money after all my expenses and bills. So I need to really double it to be able to start profiting and making a big savings and big killings. Okay, obviously that's enough. I'm talking too much. And I salute and I'm honored if you guys made it this far in the video. Thank you for your support. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.